Ladies and gentlemen, through
ourselves in His presence. To your undying love and mercy for us, one PNP family.
As President, Republic of the Philippines,
sons and their brother Sap.
Natalio Icarma III, our friends from the media.
And the only survivor of their group, hit several times. The same award of Medalya ng
Jose Rodriguez, Police Director General Ricardo. Kinikilala natin ang buong loob na paglilingkod ng ating awardee sa bansa. Magigiting na staff, maraming antsak na peligro. Isa pa nating awardee ng medalya. Bakit hanggang ngayon hindi pa lang pag-usad ng sistemang pangkatarungan sa kumpiyansa kung gagawin ninyong huwaran ang kagitigan ng ating awardees sa 47 pang staff troopers. Kabilang na ang 5 na nakaligtas sa enkwentro sa Mamas. Bilang tayo magmalasakit, magambagan at